Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use the pregnancy test filter on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. It's basically the same thing. It's a very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know that. So what you want to do is you can find the pregnancy filter on Instagram, and you want to click on the search icon, basically the export page. Click search at the top bar, and then you want to search for Peter or Peter XIV or the 14th. It's actually a very nice name, or Peter the fourth, if X is just a dot. So you want to click on his profile, and when that happens, you want to click on the second option. You want to go down until we find the pregnancy test filter. Here it is, the girl with the pink hair. It will take a few seconds to load. Here it is. You want to click on it, and then all you gotta do is just click on try it, and you can use it on yourself if you're into this. And that's all you gotta do. If you want to use it on TikTok, then you just gotta save it to your camera roll and upload it as a new video there. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.